So you recently have had a loved one pass away and you think this was because of medical malpractice. Hello, I'm Maryland medical malpractice attorney Marcus Boston, and I would like to talk with you today about a very serious issue that comes up, especially in death cases. Now, I recently had my grandfather pass away, so I know what is probably going on with you right now. It's a lot of stress on the family. This is just really a trying time. But even with that being said, someone must have the foresight to be looking forward, especially if you think that medical negligence is what caused your loved one's death. Now, if you think that medical negligence was the cause of your loved one's death, there's something that you really need to do, and that is get an autopsy. And the reason this is important is because an autopsy will help you understand what happened in your loved one's case. Now, a lot of people do not understand that the hospital in some instances will perform an autopsy when a patient dies at the hospital. But if your hospital does not want to do this, you can request a private autopsy to be performed. So I'm going to say that again because that's very important. You can request that a private autopsy be performed in your loved one's situation. Now, this is important because this autopsy will help your attorney be able to understand, was the standard of care followed or broken in your loved one's case? So why have I taken the time to share this very important information with you today? Because you have questions. You're on the internet right now watching this video because you're trying to find out what should you do. This is what I invite you to do. Pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you would like to send me an email first initially, go ahead and send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. Other people who are on the internet just like you, trying to find the answers to the questions that they're searching for. And if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will be alerted as soon as we upload helpful content just like what you're watching today. Oh, and if you are watching this video because you're trying to help out a friend, there are buttons below that you can use to share